I'm Mr. Michael Samuel. So today we are going to solve the value of y in this equation. That is 2 plus log of 3 base 2 plus log of y base 2 is equal to log of 5 base 2 plus 1. So we need to find the value of y. I have 2 on the left hand side and 1 on the right hand side. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, then plus log of 3 base 2 plus log of y base 2 will be equal to log of 5 base 2. So from here, there's something that is very important. We need to remember that log of a base a is always equal to 1. Log of a number base that number is always 1. This simply means that log 1 can be written as log of 2 base 2, since all the others are 2 base 2, so will be equal to 1. So that's what we are going to replace here. That will be log of 2 base 2 plus log of 3 base 2 plus log of y base 2 will be equal to log of 5 base 2. Remember, from laws of logarithm, addition will lead to multiplication. So this will be the same as log of, we have 2 times 3 times y base 2 will be equal to log of 5 base 2. Since all these are to base 2, then it simply means that this will be the same as log of 6y base 2 will be equal to log of 5 base 2. And that is 6y will be equal to 5. Therefore, y will be equal to 5 over 6. And that is the value of y. If you substitute into this equation, that will be true.